All right, so hopefully you did the on your own with success. So let's kind of go over this real quick. The one that you did online was slightly different. It was multiple choice, um, um, but I'm going to go over the answer real quick. So write and graph the inequality for the situation. A cruise ship can carry at most 3,500 passengers. Okay, so first I want to say the choices that I gave you, I use C for the variable. On this example, I use P. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. You could use any variable that you wanted to as long as it made sense. P was probably the better choice, but I chose C, and I could have done X or anything else. So let's go over over the answers real quick. A ship can carry at most 3,500 passengers. So the most amount of people that ship can carry is 3,500. All right. So I'm going to find 3,500 and I'm going to plot a closed circle. All right, because it can be 3,500. It just can't be anything more. Right. So if it was less than 3,500, then I would use an open circle. But since 3,500 can be included, it's going to be a closed circle. So the reason why I shaded to the left is because P is less than 3,500. So P is in passengers. It doesn't matter how many people I have in the ship as long as I don't go over 3,500. Right? I just can't go over it. So if I had 3,500, right, I'm still okay. I'm going to be in this. I'm in that range. Right? If I only have 2,000 people, that inequality will still be true. There would be a solution. So that is why it's shaded to the left, because it is less than 3,500. Number two, a board game is designed for ages 12 and up. Okay, so this is kind of the opposite, going the opposite direction as the first one. So the game designers, they're intending for this game to be for kids that are 12 years old and older. All right, so that's why so the keywords are 12 and up. So since 12 is included, once again, like 3,500 was included, I'm going to use an open circle. All right, and anybody that is older than 12 or older can play that game. All right, so that's why we're pointing. So anybody, doesn't matter if you're 13, 12 and a half, 12, as long as you're 12 or older, you can play the game. And so we're shading it to the right. Think of the example of driver's license. Right, you can get a license at 16. You don't have to get a license at 16. You can get it at 17 or 18 or 19 or whatever the case may be. You just can't get one until your 16th birthday. That is why. So 12 and up. So the minimum age is 12, and anybody older can play the game. Okay. Real quick, quiz. All right. Keep scrolling to the bottom of the page, and you have your first quiz for the week on section 7.5. Okay, so this is going to be due. Normally, be due on Fridays by 3 p.m. But we're going to extend it to Monday, 3 p.m. because of the holiday. All right, you need to get this done. All right, there won't be any extensions. It's too much coming in, too many messages. We got to start planning for the week. You start planning for the next week on Mondays every week. It is very important during this time that you meet the deadlines. It's more important than ever because to be honest with you, it's a lot more time consuming. It doesn't seem like it is, but it is. With creating the website and all the documents, and it may get smoother in the end, but we need to have that quiz done by Monday at 3 p.m. With that said, I guess hope you have a great Friday break. I hope you do something great Easter weekend. I hope you guys find something positive to do, and I hope you get some rest or excitement or whatever you get. I just hope it's positive. So you guys take care and have a good weekend.